Video I'll show you the parts of a flower by dissecting a flower. So here I'm having this lily flower. I know it's not fresh, however I'll show you its parts. So before I start dissecting it, I just want to show you a diagram. So here is the flower's diagram. In this diagram you can see different parts of a flower, and the most attractive and colorful part is its petal. And here you can see this is petal, and there are many petals in a flower, so I'm removing one of its petals. This is petal, and now come to the next. This green leaf-like structure is called as sepal. Here in this lily you cannot see any sepal because here the petals and sepals are not separated. So I'm having this rose flower in which I'll show you the sepals. These sepals are present at the base of a flower, and this is green in color and looks similar to the leaf, but actually its size is small. And here this is sepal, and together these sepals protect the bud. It covers the bud. Okay, now come to the next. This structure, this part is called as a stigma, and below it is called as style. Here you can see this is a stigma. It is looking similar to the diagram, and this is a style, and at the bottom ovary is present, which I'll show you later on, and stigma, style, ovary together form pistil. Now the next, anther and filament. Here I'm showing you the anthers. See this yellow color structure on the top. Can you see this yellow color structure? This is anther, and here this thread-like structure is called as filament, and together anther and filament called as stamen. Okay, and now I want to add on, this anther is yellow in color, and if you touch a fresh flower's anther, then what you will see a powder like thing come on your finger, and this powder like thing is called as pollen grains. So anthers are having pollen grains. Here I have made diagrams separately. So this is a filament, and anther and filament together form stamen. I'm showing you the anther and filament again. Here you can see them. Okay, now come to the pistil. Here stigma, style, ovary and ovules, these dot-like structures of ovules which later form seeds, and ovule convert into seeds. Here you can see this is a stigma, this is style, and at the bottom this is ovary, which are having some small structures. These are called as ovules, and I have taken out some of the ovules. These are the ovules, and they convert into seeds. Now these are sepals, and it protects the bud, and this is petal. Now come to the last part, this receptacle. This is the thickened part of the stem from which the flower grows, and here I'm attaching the pictures so that you can pause the video and see the labeling clearly.